Hello, I wanted to show you a Happy Meal that I received a long time ago, and I put it to the side. I left to go on that emergency trip, and then I was cleaning my room here and I found the package. I never opened it up, so I'm gonna do that right now. And the package is from Mary Roberts, and I did just put it here. And I'm sorry, Mary, that I didn't do this. This was delivered around 8 August something. Yep, right before I left. And late August, I believe I got it. And so I said when I come back from my trip, I'll do it, and I totally forgot. So this is her card. I love the envelope that she made. Look at how shiny that is. And look how pretty is that card. That's so pretty. Handmade with love. So let me just read it really quick. She's thanking me for the stamps I sent her, and also for the tutorial that I did for her. And she said, have a blessed day. Thank you, Mary Roberts. I appreciate what you sent me. You really didn't have to send me anything. Look how pretty is that card. The layering. That is very pretty. I'm gonna put it in my frame. So she was thanking me for the tutorial that she asked me for. And so look at those stickers that she sent me. And it's 3D stickers, and they are from No Greetings. Never heard from them, that company. Is there more than one in here? Oh, those are different ones that they sell. Yes, different ones that they sell. So those are stickers. This one is My Sweet. Oh, it's Prima puffy stickers. There's 20 in here. I love Prima stickers. Prima anything. From EK Success. Oh, those are cute. I love the ladybugs. That is the only bug that I'm not afraid of. Sadly to say that. And sometimes butterflies do creep me out. I don't know. But I do love butterflies. But ladybugs, I'll let them walk on me if they land on me. But any other bug, I'll have a heart attack. Oh, look at these stickers. These are beautiful stickers. The wagon and the old tricycle. And then the bench and light posts. That's so pretty. And this is a 6x6 paper pad. It is acid free. And all that is all the paper that you get in the set. This is good to fussy cut right there. This fussy cut. Sweet Day is called, but I don't know who's the maker. I love the sandals. So you get 2 of the sandal papers, 2 of that one, the compass, the hearts. Those are pretty, very pretty cardstock. And the quality is not cheap, it's hard. love those flowers. Cameras and flower. Outdoors. That's pretty frame. And then this one. You could definitely fussy cut these things. Those out. Those are very pretty paper pad. Thank you very much for that. I love them. And the colors are my style. So those are nice. Very pretty. I'll put that in there later. And then there's a stencil, one laser cut stencil from Little Birdie. And how big is it? That's pretty. You could use it for mixed media also. It's just the right size. That's very pretty. I think this one came out from there. I wonder if she made these because it looks like material. And this one says dream, love, and it says foamy. Believe, another butterfly, and hope. That is very pretty. And then she gave me some beads here. They are gorgeous. Look how pretty is that little flower ruffle there. And I think there's another one, yep, right there. So these beads are gorgeous. I love the cream color with the brown. Jesse James beads. Very pretty. Thank you for that. I'm definitely gonna use that. And some flowers. Look how pretty those flowers are. And they are pretty sturdy. Oh, look at this, how pretty she made it. She had to have made this. Yep, it's like this. Oh, I love the butterfly. Look how pretty is that butterfly. And the beads that she put in here. It looks like a Japanese bead here. And you could put it in your planner. I think I'm gonna put it in this one right here. It's just too pretty not to show. Look how pretty that looks. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you, Mary, for that. That is just gorgeous. I love the way it's cut on the beads there. Very pretty. You gotta tell me where you found these beads at too. That is beautiful. And then a sticker book here is 50 pieces. Let me open it up to show you. And I guess it has to do with vacation themed from Recollections. Oh, I broke the book. Something that I didn't want to do. Oh, it's open. So you get that big strip there. Journey Adventure Waits, and these are like clear travel meaning. Very pretty. Relaxation. Yep, the last trip we took we relaxed a lot. We was home a lot with Dad. So that was a good vacation for me. Because usually we're traveling to see family, going here and there, and so with COVID, it made us stay indoors, so that was good. Look at these beautiful little birdie, also butterflies. You get 9. Yep, 9 butterflies in here, little birdie. I love me my butterflies. That's pretty. Love the colors. The orange you could use for fall. And then the last thing, wow. Big packet that she gave me is this. And she put a whole bunch of stuff in here. Wow. These cute little clouds are adorable. Look how pretty these are. It has pink and blue. I'm sure. Oh yeah, and it has oh, they're beads. Those are cute. Those are real cute. And there's a rainbow bead. I mean, not a bead, charm, a rainbow charm. These bows are adorable. I think I'm gonna screw a little hole in there and make it into a charm. These 3, they're pretty. And then, oh wow, look at this. They're rubbery, and it has like a little ball inside. Didn't break there. Look how pretty. Oh, there's a pink one too. That is so pretty. I have never seen these. And they feel like I could bounce them, but they're glass. And they feel like rubber. That's so pretty. Then she gave me some dragonflies. Those are pretty. Did you make these, Mary? And if you did, I would love a tutorial of how you made them. Those are adorable. Oh, there's another one. There's 4 of them. Oh, there's 5 of them. Yep. 5 of them. Look at these. Those are cute. Those are so cute. They have a flower in here. I have never seen these. These are like cabochons. Okay, then she gave me these beautiful flowers here. Oh, she gave me a lot. Oh, another bowl. Didn't see the yellow one there. Look how pretty these flowers are. And they feel like they painted on them. Yep, they did paint. Those are pretty. Then there's this little unicorn horse. I think that goes together with that. And then the 2 little buses, one in blue and one in pink. They're charms also. Those are pretty. Look at these. How pretty. pretty these are. That is gorgeous. I haven't seen these. Wonder where she got them. Those are pretty. Oh, she also gave me another butterfly from the charm here. See? In blue. And this one is in pink. That's pretty. And then, oh, another one. They remind me of Maggie Holmes type of butterflies. And then look at this one. That little, I forgot what they call them, but they were like Volkswagen, but they have a name, these little buses. Then these dolphins, very pretty. Did you put the resin inside of it, or did you buy it? Because if you put the resin, you really did a good job. Those are nice. And then some birds. What are those birds called? Hummingbirds. They look like hummingbirds to me, with a little beak. And then some more charms here. And this one is a bird cage with a pearl inside of it. And then a hot air balloon. Wow, she really gave me a lot of charms. And then these two keys. And then this bicycle. This dragonfly. And then this ladybug. Another hot air balloon. That one is pretty. And then this bird. And the last one is this bird there. Wow, she really... And then she gave me one of that and one of these. So she gave me a lot. Wow. Oops, sorry about that. I hit the camera. So that is my happy mail from Mary Roberts. Thank you so much, Mary. You really didn't have to send me anything. I'm more than happy to do tutorials for you. And thank you. I really love everything you gave me. Thank you so much. And as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, or leave me a comment down below. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.